Hello everyone, I'm Watson. In this video we're going to talk about how can we use a PoE switch to set up a PoE wireless access point. So what is a PoE wireless access point? Well, it is a normal wireless access point with PoE enabled. We know that a wireless access point acts as a device that helps us connect our IP devices to our network wirelessly. It's kind of like our routers when we can just connect to the Wi-Fi with our mobile phones. And a PoE wireless access point is a wireless access point that is PoE enabled. This will help us save a lot of money and time when we're setting this wireless access point. Well, the PoE technology is transmitting power and data through a single Ethernet cable. So when we set up this PoE wireless access point, all we need is a PoE switch to provide the power and data, a PoE wireless access point to act as the entrance for IP devices to connect to the network, and an Ethernet cable. And the Ethernet cable, well, if we're going to use to the limitations, it's going to be within 100 meters. So using this PoE switch, this will provide the power and data, and the wireless access point will receive the power and data, then it can work. And whenever we are around this wireless access point, we can use our IP devices, connect to its network, and gain really good quality wireless connection. Now let's take a look at this PoE switch. This is our fast cabling PoE switch. This is the most basic type. This one has 4 PoE ports, so theoretically we can connect to 4 PoE wireless access points. You can think of expanding our network into 4 different directions, and using these PoE wireless access points we can kind of theoretically expand the whole network bigger. And these two are acting as uplink ports. These will help us upload the data to a next device, maybe the internet or a video recorder to help us record anything. This will help, and these two ports don't have PoE features, so they only transmit the data but faster. And it has indicators down on the bottom here which will help us get a quick look at the connection's quality. This PoE switch also has a power supply built in, so all we need to do is connect this little box to the electric outlet. And that's basically all the basic features for this PoE switch. This is an unmanaged switch, so basically when we set it up, all we need to do is connect the Ethernet cable to the correct place and it will be done. We don't need to configure anything. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually set up a wireless access point to a PoE switch. It's pretty easy. Now let's take a look. First, we're going to get our power cord for this PoE switch. Once we connect it to the power, the indicators will light on. This means this PoE switch has received the power. Now we're going to connect our Ethernet cable. So one end of our Ethernet cable is going to go to the PoE switch. Any port will be okay as long as it's the PoE port. And the other, we will use it to connect to our PoE wireless access point. And you can see the access point has the indicators lit on. The power is on as well. This means there's power and data transmitting to this wireless access point at the moment. So basically that's pretty much all we have to do is get each of these places connected, and if we're the first time setting this up, we just need some simple configurations with this device, and then we can just access it with our IP devices wirelessly. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave them at the section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.